With me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select any of those themes. I will go with this one. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and then hit apply to save its new theme. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard was successfully changed. If you want to customize it though, you need to go back to the same settings by tapping on the color palette again. Tap on this plus under my themes and click on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. I will go with this one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and click on apply. As you can see, when I go back this time, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you want to edit any theme, click on it. Tap on this pen at the top right corner and make your changes. To get rid of it though, tap on this bean, also at the top right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!